The Sikorsky Black Hawk military helicopter is a versatile and reliable utility helicopter that serves the U.S. military and the armed forces of 34 other countries worldwide. The Black Hawk helicopter has a tough and durable airframe structure, composite wide-chord rotor blades, and powerful GE engines that enable it to fly higher and carry more than its predecessors. The digital avionics and advanced situational awareness system enhance its survivability and effectiveness in combat. The Black Hawk helicopter is the primary multi-role helicopter of the U.S. Army and is used for a wide range of missions, including troop transport, air assault, and medical evacuation. The Black Hawk helicopter has been in service for over 25 years, and has undergone various upgrades and modernizations to stay relevant and effective. The Black Hawk helicopter can be customized with various mission sets and features to meet specific customer preferences. The helicopter can be transformed into an armed helicopter in less than 60 minutes. Overall, the Sikorsky Black Hawk military helicopter is a versatile and reliable aircraft that has proven its worth in a wide range of missions and environments. Its advanced capabilities and customizable features make it a valuable asset for military forces around the world.